Hey everybody, Dave Hook here, Dave Hook Real Estate Team, Keller Williams of Central PA, and of course with the Brand Ambassador Program, our group of small businesses in Greater Carlisle, South Central PA. We're here today on site with Justin Beecher, founder and owner of a brand new Leaf and a brand new engine, and we're going to learn a little bit about Justin's story and see him here in his facility. Come on in, let's meet him.
We're just delivering some of the drop-offs here for you.
Thank you, Dave.
Hey Justin.
How are you?
Good, you hard at work?
Hard at work.
I love it.
Great to see you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for having us out here.
Yeah, absolutely.
To your place. Yeah, it's been busy ever since I showed up. People coming and going, hauling stuff. Looks like you have a great operation.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
For sure.
Yeah.
So one of the questions I love to start with is just, business is hard. Like, it's really hard. What's that for you? What keeps you up at night?
The main thing that keeps me up at night is scheduling.
Yeah.
Figuring out when the customer wants what they want, when to do each service, and getting all the customers on the same page with what we think they should be doing instead of telling us what we should be doing.
Yeah, totally get it. Making all those pieces match is incredibly hard when you're dealing with people and schedules and your employees and their needs. So, totally get it. At a brand new Leaf in your company, what are you most proud of?
I'm most proud of, like, in the past 3 years, we won Best of Cumberland County, which is a great thing, 22, 23, and 24, which has been awesome. Mostly proud of our employees, our customers. We just have a great culture here. You know, we have fun at work. Guys work hard, and we take good care of our customers.
You've grown a lot.
So,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
For somebody listening and they don't quite know, what all services do you actually offer?
So we do mulching, mowing, shrub trimming, spring and fall cleanups, and now we do mobile small engine repair. So we have a second business that's called a brand new engine, and we do mobile small engine repair. We come to your house, we service your mowers, snow blowers, weed whackers, all that type of thing, any small engines that you have.
One-stop shop?
Yep. And we come to you, so you don't have to load it up on a trailer and do all that stuff. We do it right at your house.
I love it. So if there's somebody out there that wants to learn more or hire you guys or get a free quote on some service that you offer, how do they get in touch?
Yep. So if you go to abrandnewleaf.com, we have free estimates for mowing, free estimates for mulching, and then we can come to you and get you some quotes together. If you give us a call at 717-701-0088.
Perfect. So go to abrandnewleaf.com or call them at 701-0088. That's 701-0088. And they'll take amazing care of you, and they're great people, and you're not going to want to miss out. Thanks for having us out today.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Yep.